Hi everyone, my name is Parag and welcome back in my new video. Guys, today video is all about how to use filter in Excel. See, I'll just give an example. Here we have a very basic example. Okay, so most of the time you may have a data with a numerous serial numbers, we can say, as with respect to this example, like 10,000 serial numbers with you. But you need to classify your data in ascending order. You need to classify your data in descending order, or you need to just check your data with a filter. Okay, all this stuff, how you can do that? So there is a unique way to use it, is a filter. So to classify, to filterize your data, just select the row which like for which you need to assign a filter. So I have selected my header, you can consider. Now you can see here sort and filter is a tool. So just click on it and see, here you need to click on the filter, or you can just press on your keyboard control shift and L. So see, this is what the filter assign, right? These are the tabs are representation of the filter. Now let's apply a filter in a pending amount column. So I want to see myself, I want to see the database from smallest to largest. So I'll just click here to smallest to largest. So you can see my data is now from smallest to largest. Now I want to see my data from, I want to go back, just press Ctrl Z. Okay, I made undo, or you can use this particular tab also. Okay, go back, like we are here. Now you can use this tab to go back once again. Okay, now again I want to categorize my data from largest to smallest. So if I just click on this, you can see my data is from largest to smallest. Now I want to remove the filter. What I'll select the particular filter here and I'll just put clear. But my data will be here at cell 8 as it is, which I have assigned. So I'll go back. Okay, and I will go back. Right now, here these are the two functions which you can use easily to classify your data in very simple format from the largest to smallest, smallest to largest. But now you need to understand your data. Just take an example. You just highlight your figure, highlight your project. You highlight this particular project in different way. Okay, you highlight your this two project in very different color. Okay, you highlighted this particular project in red color. You highlighted this project in you can say, just take an example, blue color. This you highlight in the blue color, and this you highlight it in we can say in green color. Now you need to classify your data, you need to filterize your data with respect to color. Okay, so I need to understand the project which is in the red color. Okay, so I'll just go here and I'll filter by color and I'll select the red. So you can see I have only that particular project with me which are in the red color. Now I want to understand my project, okay, in blue color. I just click on it, my project in a blue color. I want to understand my project, okay, with the yellow color. It is in yellow color. Okay, so now see, it is a particular way you can use a color codifications also to understand your data, okay, in color format. So there's a different unique way to use a filter. Okay, so these are the very simplest way to assign a filter and to use for a multiple things. Okay, I hope you understanding video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.